What is up, guys? Today we are going to try to get the 240 going. I'm going to try to install this, the EGR delete, the little block off plate, and then also I'm going to take a look at the ECU because honestly I think that that's the issue, because the way I have it mounted, it's kind of exposed, so I think the dirt may have, messed it up a little bit. So let's get into that. So you can see I took the ECU off, unplugged it, and I noticed, let's get the ECU out of the way. I noticed that this green wire, if you could see this green wire right above my thumb, that is exposed and it was rubbing against the screw. So I think that maybe it shorted out there. So I'm gonna try and fix that, and hopefully that's all it is. So we got the wire all wrapped up, so I guess just plug the ECU in, and I'm gonna have to jump start the car as well, unfortunately. Well, that didn't work. So we're looking for any like burn marks or anything anywhere it could have arced, and I really don't see any. Now, I'm not all that experienced as far as like with ECUs with cars, so I may be wrong, but everything looks fine to me, which makes me think that it's not the ECU. However, looks can be deceiving. There could be something that I'm totally missing. I have no idea. Alright, so didn't notice anything wrong, didn't notice any like burn marks or anything. So I'm gonna see about doing this self-diagnosis. That little LED in there is going to light up, and that'll flash a certain number of times, and that'll tell me what's going on, if it's throwing any codes or whatnot. I know I'm definitely going to get an O2 sensor one, because I don't have a second O2 sensor, I just have one. So that'll pop up for sure, but we'll see. Hopefully it tells me something good. I don't know. If it shows no codes, then I don't know. It might be the ECU then. I don't know. But yeah, so let's just do that. Why not? Alright guys, so it's throwing up two codes. One is the knock sensor code. The other code is the ignition coil, which just so happens to be the one thing that wasn't replaced. Like everything else was. The ignition coil. Let me show you what the ignition coil is. So the ignition coil is right there. And the two codes are 21 and 34. You can see 21 primary ignition coil wiring thing. So I might just replace that, and then 34 is the knock sensor. So I might replace that as well. Alright, so we're gonna end up going and getting a new ignition coil, because I mean this one, I was doing the test on it. I got continuity between the two pins there, but I didn't get any between the pins and here that goes to the distributor. So maybe that's what's wrong. God, I hope so. And then that knock sensor code, hopefully hopefully it runs without that, like without replacing the knock sensor. I don't know, it might not, it might, I don't know, but I'm gonna replace those. Today I'm just gonna do the ignition coil and see. If it doesn't, then I'll replace the knock sensor, and if that's not it, then there's nothing left. There's literally nothing left that could be causing it. Like, it's, oh my god, dude. I don't know. So yeah, let's just head over to AutoZone real quick. So we got it, guys. So praying that this is it and that we can start the car and everything will be good. The knock sensor thing, I'm hoping I can go a little longer without replacing it, because I'll order one, because they're not expensive. It was like 20 bucks or something I was looking at. So I'll order one, but I'm really hoping I can start the car today. Like that would make my day. I'd be very happy if I could start the car today and it ran normal. So yeah, let's just get home and install this and pray. Okay, so we're back. So hopefully this guy fixes it. Well, let's just throw this guy in. So as you guys saw, ignition coil didn't fix it. So we're gonna check the ECU and see if it's still throwing that code. Sometimes you just gotta know when to walk away, and that time's now. I'm not putting any more money into it. I can't. It's fucking ridiculous. The more money I put into there, the less money I put into this motor, the longer it takes to get that motor in the car. And that is what needs to go in the car. We're so close. We're almost there, guys. We're more than halfway there. All we really need now is the wiring, the intercooler, and then like the plumbing, all the vacuum lines and all that. And then I gotta tuck my radiator and a few things here and there. We're so close, but it's fucking bullshit. So, if you like this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.